As a vehicle's mileage increases, the engine can become susceptible to sludge. Sludge is a thick, tar-like substance that, if left untreated, can cause poor running, loss of power, and even lead to engine seizure. It can build up in an engine's vital oilways, restricting the flow of oil, preventing it from protecting the engine. Small particles of dirt that are generated through normal engine running become attracted to each other. As they come into contact, they can combine to form larger particles that fall out of the oil, leading to sludge. Castrol GTX tackles this buildup of problems head-on. Its unique double-action formula breaks down and cleans away existing sludge. It then protects the engine from sludge reoccurring by preventing dirt particles forming larger particles. Castrol GTX helps extend engine life for the best miles ahead.